The team from Myonics and Kluber Lubrication has been working together for quite a long time. We worked on different, the requirements came from different industries like textile, whether it is cement, steel. We also worked on a project for the automotive industry. The wind industry is another one where we again seek the support of Team Myonics. So what we were trying to work more with them was to find software solutions where we can actually show the customer where Kluber is working. So to show all this to the customer, we were traditionally depending upon more of brochures and paper formats. There were different challenges with it. One is that you don't get it readily available. When you are in a discussion, you can't pull out a paper from your bag, and if you have, then you have to have a very heavy bag. We don't like that. So looking at from a sustainable point of view and for the ease of doing business, we thought that we should shift more to software solutions, and that's where Team Myonics has been able to come up with really interactive tools to support this request of ours. What we loved about working with them was the fact that they were able to quickly understand what we really need and develop solutions which make our life in front of our customer quite easy. So if we want to show an application, we can actually take this touch tool and we can show it in 3D, how the product is, where is it sitting, what does it do. So it's made our life very easy, and I'm sure that our customers also do appreciate it.